Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are actually going to be going over a list of drugstore makeup you should have. Maybe I should actually pull back my hair just so it doesn't get in the way. Let me grab some bobby pins. This is a full face of drugstore makeup, so I will be kind of going over each individual product and then I'll be applying it to my face, and we'll just do a get ready with me / you need this type of thing. So, and then we are going in with two different primers. One of them is the NYX Hydra Touch primer. This one is actually to help hydrate my skin, and then this one is the Pro Base Blur Primer from Makeup Revolution. So we're going to put the NYX Hydra Touch on my face first. It's not really one that's going to fill fine lines and wrinkles. It's more or less just going to hydrate your skin. And then we're going to go in with a silicone primer, which is going to even things out. It's going to fill the pores, and this one is actually going to blur. At least that's what it says it's supposed to do. Now if I remember right, this one has a berry scent to it. So these two together, it's going to hydrate and it's going to fill in the fine lines in maybe my wrinkles if I have a little bit of it, but it'll fill in the pores, and the silicone, it's your makeup's just going to glide on. One foundation that I believe you guys should definitely have in your beauty bag, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I am in love with this stuff. If you guys didn't see my video on my spontaneous makeup tutorial and it turned into a glam foundation look, I do highly suggest you guys go check that out. And then hopefully what all of you guys have is a beauty blender. This one is wet, and we're just going to pat this foundation into my face and blend it in, make it look beautiful. It does cover up some of my blemishes, but not all of them. It just gives me a nice even skin tone. But the thing I really love about it is that it photographs well. See how it just kind of I don't know, it makes me look photo touched, in Photoshop or something. And then next on my list is a concealer, the Photo Focus from Wet n Wild. Got color number 835, which is their fair neutral one. So I didn't get anything with an undertone in it. And this is going to do the same thing as that foundation, where it's going to help. I don't know, it does something with the camera. It makes your skin look flawless on camera, and I love it. I feel all of the photo focus stuff is just amazing. It makes you look so clean, so touched up. I love the way that this concealer and this foundation works together. It looks amazing on camera. Now, you need to have a finishing powder of some kind. NYX makes a great one. e.l.f. makes a great one. Their HD powder I love. I use it all the time. This is the HD Studio Photogenic one. This one is cruelty-free. I use it to bake more than anything. So I'm actually this is an angled sponge to triangle sponge, and I love the way that this gets right where I need it to go, underneath my eyes. I feel my beauty blender can't do that as easily. I suggest the NYX one. And then we're just brushing this away. Next on my list of drugstore brands, I highly recommend the Vivid Baking Bronzer from Makeup Revolution. This is the Golden Days one. So this one is more for a light skin tone. But this is a gorgeous, if you just want that sun-kissed glow, I definitely highly recommend this. Now, if you don't want something that's so luminous, luminosity, because this one does have a shimmery in it, we do have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one is amazing as well. It's actually been compared to the MAC bronzer, but Physicians Formula and Makeup Revolution are both cruelty-free. If you want something that's a little bit more matte without the luminizers in it, then I definitely recommend the Physicians Formula. But today we are going to be using Makeup Revolution because I love, I'm totally vibing summer. And I'm going in with a Essence bronzing brush, warming up my face. we're not really doing a contour, like we're warming up my face. And then we have the blush. And this one I've actually been using a lot lately. This is the Peach Me Up Matte Touch Blush from Essence Cosmetics. And I actually did a full face of Essence makeup and I used this particular blush. And I don't know, like, it's the perfect, like, everyday blush. Like, this one's Peach Me Up, so it's a little bit lighter. Again, I was wanting something more springy. But this is definitely something that you guys should put in your makeup bag. It is super inexpensive. I believe it was like $3.99. Hello, like, that's awesome. Oh, I have something new to show you guys. I have been using this for the past like week. This is a highlighter. The highlighting powder from Wet n Wild. Man, I have a lot of Wet n Wild today. That's crazy. Like, I guess I've just kind of like fallen in love with that brand. It's called Blossom Glow. So this does have a little bit of a pinky undertone. The highlight on it is super pretty. Like, you can build it up, you can put it on your face, and it'll be, sometimes it's like super blinding depending on how you apply it. I paid less than $5. So before we get into my eyes, I'm actually going to set my face. This is, like I said, I've said it in so many videos. This is a hack that I have that helps my makeup last longer. And I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Look Lockup setting spray. This I found, who was I watching? Rach Loves. She recommended this and she was like, oh, it's amazing. I was like, okay, I have to try it, and I did. And it is my go-to setting spray. And this is a drugstore brand. This is like $11 from the drugstore, and it's amazing. Okay, and then we are moving on to the eyes. Now, I actually do not have an eyeshadow primer, so we're going to be using the Photo Focus Concealer. We're just going to put that on the lids of my eyes, which I do like the applicator for this purpose. Because it's like super tiny, so it like gets on my eyes, but it doesn't put like too much on it. So the next thing that you should have, definitely, like if you're just going to go complete drugstore, is the NYX. This is the Lid Lingerie. This is all nudes. However, it provides you with a great variety of nudes. But basically you can choose like even some basic colors out of here. Like you can choose this one, which is more of a skin tone one, to set your eyes. And then you could even do like a couple of dimensions of it, but it doesn't have to be anything like super complicated, which is nice. So we're using this color right here. They actually don't have colors like on the pan, but this is just like their matte lid lingerie. And then going into the crease, we're going to be using this color here. So even something like this where you just do like a lid color and then you do a crease color, it looks so natural, so beautiful. This is the other reason why I'm like, okay, this like nude palette it pairs well with the highlighter from Wet n Wild. Now this is a hack, a trick that I'm sharing with you guys today. So if you want a little bit more shimmer on your eye, you can just take this highlighter, put your finger in, and then put it on your eyelid. And it really, really works with this nude palette. So you just literally put it on your eyelid. So it creates this like beautiful nude eye with this little bit of shimmer on the lid, and it's just so pigmented, so pretty, so inexpensive. It is the best hack I have ever seen. Like, some people don't really think about the fact that like you can use a highlighter on your eyes, or you can use a bronzer on your eyes. You can actually use a blush on your eyes too. And then you just get that inner corner right there. And then if you really, really wanted to be creative and do a brow bone highlight, the highlighter also works really well for that. So once again, we are going to set my face because the only thing we really have left to do is the lips and the eyebrows. So I am also thinking about doing a video that tells you guys like products that you can use that are like multi-purpose. And I want to know if you guys would like that. So leave a comment down below, and I want to know your guys' opinions on that. Would you like to see like multi-purpose things that you can use on makeup? Alright guys, we're going to be going in with my eyebrows. And this is from Makeup Revolution. It is their eyebrow pencil. It comes with a little spoolie wand. And then it comes with a pencil on the other end. And the eyeliner pencil is super pigmented. It's super pretty. This is definitely a grab and steal for your makeup bag. Like, I love how it leaves like these little teeny tiny fine strokes. Just doing like teeny tiny little strokes. Ta-da! My eyebrows. Oh guys, we're gonna be moving on to the lips. This is the last thing on my list. I'm super excited to share it with you guys because I fell in love with this. Matte Love Butter Stick. This is from Essence. I featured it in the full face of Essence Cosmetics that I did. I absolutely love this because you can use it as you can do a liner and then you can use it as your lip color, or you can actually use it as a liner itself because it's so mattifying. And then you can put a lipstick or lip gloss over it and it's beautiful. It's a perfect foundation for that type of thing. And then the actual lipstick. I saw this on Instagram and I was like, oh my gosh, I need it. It is the Wet n Wild Catsuit High Shine Lipstick. And this is in the color Taffy Tantrum, although it really reminds me of Barbie Pink. Okay guys, so let's take down my hair real quick so I can show you what this looks like when I actually have, like, you know, presentable hair, because half the time I don't. So guys, this is all makeup that you need, that you can find at the drugstore, and it's super inexpensive. Oh, I forgot my mascara. Like, this is the Essence Lash Princess False Effect Mascara. If you were starting a makeup collection, these are things that I highly recommend that you buy. You put them in your makeup bag and you use. These are amazing products. They last forever and they make you look amazing. So guys, here we have it. A full face of drugstore products that you guys need to go out and buy. So, drugstore makeup that you guys need to invest in. What do you think? Leave your comments down below. If you guys have any like ride or die drugstore makeup that you have to have in your beauty bag, leave a comment down below. I want to hear it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you really like this video. Give it a good thumbs up if you do, and subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications when I come on my channel again. So until next time, bye!